What is going on, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? How you doing today? I hope everyone is having a fabulous day. Thank you so much for checking out the video. If you're here for the very first time, please smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Got your coffee? You might have tea, right? Or juice. All right, guys. Today, we're going to talk about this system, okay? Keep coming back with this free system. The link is in the description. Go get yours. It is producing results. All right? You need systems in place to do the heavy lifting for you. That is a part of the process. That is a part of how to make money online. Setting up your systems makes everything automated from that point on. Okay, that's why you see a lot of times we'll say, hey, I made this money while I was asleep, or I made this money while I was shopping, or whatever we were doing, because we set up the system, we ran traffic to it, okay, and we let it go, okay, and then the system does the heavy lifting, sifting, and sorting. And if someone decides they want to get started, they pay. You have that already set up in your profile, and then your payment comes directly to you guys. Most of the time, this is on autopilot. Most of the time. Majority, 90% of it, because it's already set up to receive your, collect the money for you from the member that's signing up from your website. All right, so this is a system that I recently discovered, and I've put it into motion. Yes, I do have a marketing system I've been using for 3 years, still using it because I'm earning residual income from it. TCP, the Conversion Pros, has been paying out for 7 years. They pay out every Friday. All right, so that's still going. But guess what? We also have this going. All right, 100% free system. Get plugged in. You get capture pages. You get email swipes. You get the autoresponder. Okay, so I've been using this system. I've done paid traffic to the system. It absolutely works. I showed you guys that the other day. Results are coming in from this. All right, so definitely get plugged into this. So let's get into another payment has come in. I don't always come out every day to do, or whenever, to do a payment proof, because I want you guys to see the value in the program, whatever it is I'm promoting. Okay, because the system is going to do all the heavy lifting. The results, it's already been proven that these things work. All right, so I want you to see the value in what you're getting. But we had another payment came in yesterday. So we're going to get into that. Let's take a look. Here's a page I've got set up. Okay. Once you join me in this program, it's free. You can get my share code for the system. Okay. So you definitely want to get started. So this is another page that I created. The company has it, and I just edited the page. You can do that as well with these templates that they give you with the Mega Marketing Pro, with your free system. So I edit this a little bit, and I'm using it. All right, so let's see some more results from setting up systems and making everything automated so that you can receive these type of commissions. Most of the time, not even talking to people, guys. So let's look at this. Okay, I'm not going to reveal the person's name or any of that. But right here it says December 27th at 10 o'clock a.m. a $50 commission came in for IPS, Starter Basic Social Media Training, through Stripe. That was automated. Okay, never even spoke to the lady. I sent her an email once I received the payment for her to get her site and to get her access to IPS. Just like that, guys. So getting your systems set up and then just driving traffic, okay, to your capture page Inside of this system right here, you can list up to 10 business opportunities of your choice. Okay, this is a lead magnet system. It's going to give away a free download to your member. It's going to give them also a free system. Okay, and then once they log into their back office, they're going to see all your business opportunities. Let me show you. I've moved things around a little bit, so let me show you what happens when you opt in. See right here, when you opt in, it takes you right here. See what it says? Free video reveals how this 100% free marketing system is generating full-time incomes from home. Download your free viral report to learn how our team is able to generate thousands of hits a day using this viral rebrandable marketing system. Check this out.
Hello and welcome. Congratulations. And as promised on the previous page, we're going to give you access to that free download right below this video. But before you click that download button link and grab your free gift, continue watching this video. We've got some important information to share with you. Now, first of all, this whole system that you've been given access to, this is a free marketing system that you can promote any business of your choice. And what that'll allow you to do is it'll allow you to generate leads, it'll generate signups into your business, and literally you can put any business of your choice in the back office and rebrand this entire system. So this page that you're on right now is part of a funnel system, okay? And you're going to get free access to this entire funnel system. You're going to be able to rebrand everything. You're going to be able to use these viral pages to market any business. So go ahead, download your free gift. This is also rebranded to your sponsor, okay? And when you go through and register on the right hand side here, you're going to be able to grab your free downloads and also get set up in 3 simple steps. You're also going to be able to add in your own businesses, and you're going to be able to start promoting your businesses using one simple link, and access all the free landing pages and sales funnels and so on. So we've got a lot of training in the back office, and this whole system is going to be 100% branded to you. So congratulations, welcome aboard. Go ahead, download your free gift, but very importantly, register for a free account on the inside here, and then all this entire funnel will be branded to you instantly. The download, the PDF will be rebranded to you, and a whole lot of other funnels and training will be available to you on the inside of this free marketing system. Welcome aboard. I look forward to working with you and see you on the inside of this marketing system. We also have a Facebook group, so make sure that you join our Facebook group, and welcome aboard. Thanks for watching. See you on the inside. Bye for now.
Okay, so he just explained that to you. So check this out. On this page, though, again, it's always putting your business in front of your prospects. So on this same page, see right here, it says click here to download your free ebook. Okay, then register for free on this page. But guess what? Right here, this big square, this is your business opportunity, whatever you plug in right here. So I've switched it around a little bit. Now that I know business opportunity number 1 is what they're going to see on this page. All the other business opportunities that I've listed is going to be in the back office. When they log into their back office, they'll see all my business opportunities. Okay, so this one. So make money has never been easier. Are you willing to follow one little secret that can make you $397 per week part-time? Guess what? Right here it says join me in IPS. When they click this, it goes over to my IPS sales page. Okay, this is what this little system is doing. Okay, a free system. So again, this is another reason why you want to get the system, guys. It's always promoting your primary business or whatever your business is. Okay, then this pops up if they start to exit out. Okay, we get a pop-up. Hold on, this offer ends in an hour. Okay, so they're still trying to get them to go to check out your business opportunity. It's a free system. Okay, get this free system, start using it to help you promote your business opportunity. Now, once you get inside, get the free system and get registered, you want to get, I've got some great traffic sources in there that you want to start using to run traffic. I'm using myself. I've already showed you guys. I ordered my package. I ordered 200. It's still running, and I'm getting results from that traffic run. Okay, guys, so you want to plug into that. All right, guys, so thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me, and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, you guys be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.